Hi guys, this is Lady J with another DIY. It's been a while, but please enjoy this preview of a video coming your way, a DIY. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is another DIY by Lady J. This is a nightlight that I made with a bottle or water bottle that I purchased from Walmart for 98 cents. It's the clear plastic bottle with the stainless steel top, and you can pour water in this or put water in it, but I decided to use it as a DIY with my twinkle flower lights from Dollar Tree. I do have gems down at the bottom here. I put small diamond gems down at the bottom, and then I stuck the twinkle fairy flower lights in the inside. This is so beautiful at nighttime. You can put this in your bathroom. You can set this on your sink. You can even take it outside and put it wherever you want among your flower beds at night. You can stick those in between. You can sit it in a plant. I have mine sit it against a plant here in my kitchen. And how I made this is coming up soon. This is a DIY that I decided to make with things that I had already. The flower twinkle lights, the little diamond gems I got from Amazon, which are the small ones, and I put them inside this water bottle and made this nightlight. So yeah, this is so nice. I'm going to show you how it looks with the light on. This is how it looks at nighttime, and this is how it looks in the daytime. Well, actually with the lights on. I have it sitting here next to my plant here in the kitchen. But this is what I made, what I came up with. And I'm going to show you how I did this little DIY. The bottle came from Walmart. The twinkle lights came from Flower Tree. And the little diamond gems here at the bottom, the small ones, these came from Amazon. So this DIY is coming up soon. I just want to give you a preview of this little DIY that I made for a little of nothing. The twinkle lights were $1. And of course I had these gems left over from the winter from another DIY, but this little water bottle here only cost 98 cents from Walmart, and it came in clear, blue, purple, I believe pink, if I'm not mistaken. I believe it came in pink, but I decided to use the clear because I wanted to make some night lights for my house. Also, you can sit these inside your plants if you like outside, because this is battery operated with these lights in. And when you cut the light out, which I showed you previously, I'm going to cut this off, and this is how it looks at nighttime. So there you have it. Okay guys, I'm going to be showing you just how I did this in a DIY coming up soon. Bye.